Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, we're reviewing Liven, a productivity and mental wellness app that's generating a lot of skepticism online. Let's dive and see if it's worth for your time. Now, what is Liven? Liven is marketed as a productivity and wellness app that offers goal settings, habit tracking, and mood monitoring. At first glance, it seems like a useful tool, but what do real users say? First is users' complaints and red flags. Glitchy features. Users report that the habit tracker and mood tracker are unresponsive and buggy. 2 is the overpromise features. The app advertises personalized insights and custom goal settings, but the user says the tools are basic and lack customization. 3 is pushy subscription model. While Liven has a free version, it frequently prompts users to upgrade to a paid subscription. Some users struggle to cancel their subscription or get a response from customer service. 3 or 4 is the fake reviews. There are accusations that bot accounts might be the boost of the app's ratings with fake positive reviews. Now, should you download Liven? Not recommended. While the concept is great, users' feedback raises too many concerns, glitches, and misleading marketing and poor customer support. But there are better alternatives. If you're looking for a reliable productivity and wellness app, consider the Able, a well-rated alternative with transparent practices, other trusted apps with strong user reviews. If this review saved you time and frustrations, leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching Vital Creations. See you into the next one.